Hi, ladies and gentlemen. We got some special things going on here at American Eagle Harley Davidson, and we are the home of low payments, Casa de los Pagos Bajos. I want to show you a wonderful example of low payments. Here's a beautiful Prospect Gold Heritage Classic. Now, this thing's got light miles, only has 6,000 miles, and you can own this bike for $269 a month or no money down. Pick up the phone and call, or better yet, just come on down and check it out. We have other specials just like this one. Another fine example of a bike, a whole lot of bike for a whole lot less. This is a 2023 Street Glide, and you can drive this bike. We make it super affordable. The payment's only $289 a month for this whole bike, or you can get it with no money down. Come on in and check it out, because these don't last. We are the home of low payments, Casa de los Pagos Bajos, American Eagle Harley Davidson.